G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're today at a fantastic home that truly offers more than meets the eye. 18 Dartmouth Street in the popular beachside suburb of Torquay. I can't wait to show you around, so let's go and take a look. Offering an unrivaled lifestyle in one of Hervey Bay's most popular beachside suburbs of Torquay, this lovely home occupies a spacious 759 square metre allotment, only minutes away from the beach and key amenities. This home has been tastefully refurbished throughout with a fuse of elegance and traditional style, with a design that reveals a functional and flexible floor plan, offering designated living and entertaining areas, ideal for both family and everyday living. An inspiring culinary haven, the new kitchen features a skylight overhead, large bench tops, loads of storage and premium appliances, including an electric cooktop with range hood, wall oven and dishwasher. Intuitively designed, the kitchen flows through to an open plan dining and living area with reverse cycle split system air conditioning for year-round climate control. From the dining area, there is a seamless transition to a large sunroom, which could also double as a second living area and will be ideal for a games or rumpus room as well. You will enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate from the fantastic east-facing covered outdoor entertaining area, overlooking the private backyard with that leafy backdrop. This great home includes 3 spacious bedrooms, all of which feature built-in wardrobes and ceiling fans. The main bedroom includes split system air conditioning, a walk-through wardrobe into the lavish ensuite, and a parent's retreat, which again offers direct access to that outdoor sunroom. The remaining 2 bedrooms are serviced by the main bathroom and a separate toilet. There is a large laundry that leads through to that sunroom as well. Those looking to accommodate a number of vehicles will appreciate the tandem garage with drive-through access to the backyard. There are 2 large garden sheds for extra storage or simply somewhere for you to tinker away, with one also including power and lights as well as 15 amp connections. All the hard work has been done and there's now nothing left to do except move in and enjoy the lifestyle that'll come with this home. Call me now, Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.